Determiners are words that comes at the beginning of noun, hence basically introduces noun. They determines noun, that is whether a noun is specific or general. Again I repeat, determiners are words that comes at the beginning of noun, hence basically introduces a noun. They determines noun, that is whether a noun is specific or general. These are the 4 important things that you must understand about determiners. Now, determiners are basically divided into 4 types. First, article, which are a, an, the. Second, demonstratives, which are words like these, that, these, those. Third, possessives, which are words like my, your, his, her, your, their. And fourth, quantifiers, which are words like some, few, little, many, much, any. Now, let's have 2 examples of each type to make you clear about them. First one is article. Articles determines which noun the speaker is referring to. A and an are indefinite articles and are used when you are talking about a general version of the noun. For example, a book is man's best friend. Here we are referring to all the categories of book, not any specific one. So A is used here. The is definite article and used when you are talking about specific version of the noun. The Bhagavad Gita is one of the holy books of Hinduism. Here we are referring to specific book, which is Bhagavad Gita. So this is how articles are used as determiners. Now let's look into the next category, demonstratives. Demonstratives, which are words like this, that, these, those. Demonstrative pronouns are also used as determiners. They are used to point something specific within a sentence. They focus attention on the nouns that they are replacing. Let's see examples of them. I want to go to that movie. Here we are pinpointing specifically to that movie. Let's look into one more example. He wanted those boys to go away. Here we are pinpointing specifically to those boys. So these are the examples of demonstratives. As demonstratives determines noun, they come in the category of determiners. Now let's look into the next category, possessives. Possessives are words like my, your, his, her, our, their. Possessive pronouns are words that are used to show ownership. Let's look into examples of them. Where is your bike? Here we have used your to point out the bike which belongs to you. Let's look into one more example. It's our secret. Here we have used our to point out the secret which belongs to us. As possessive determines the ownership of noun, they comes in the category of determiners. Let's look into the last category of determiners, which is quantifiers. Quantifiers are words like some, few, little, much, more, any. They indicate how much or how little of the noun is being used. Let's look into the examples of them. He took some books of mine. Here, some defines the quantity of books he took. Let's look into the next example. He has few apples in the refrigerator. Here, few defines the quantity of apples he has. As quantifiers determines the quantity of noun, they comes in the category of determiners. So this is all about determiners in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. Firstly, we understood what determiners exactly are. Determiners are words that comes at the beginning of noun and basically introduces a noun, and they determines noun, that is whether a noun is specific or general. Then we saw 4 different types of determiners with examples. First one, article, which are a, an, the. Second one, demonstrative, which are words like this, that, these, those. Thirds are possessives, which are words like my, your, his, her, your, their. And fourth one, quantifiers, which are words like some, few, little, many, much, more. So that's